Social media is here to stay. Social media is something, it's how we do everything in our life now. It's how we communicate, it's how we shop, it's how we do business, it's how we connect with our friends. The social media is here to stay. But with that too, as with everything, and there's dangers in that, there's positives and there's negatives. And so what's important is to teach our youth how to use social media effectively, how to set boundaries with that. Some of the dangers, if it's not being used effectively and people don't realize what's going on, can really occur. We mentioned before, interferes with your sleep patterns, not getting enough sleep. It really, it opens up the doors for people to engage in behaviors they wouldn't normally engage in. So when I'm sitting here face to face with someone, when you're sitting face to face, you don't want to make that person feel bad about themselves. You don't want to ask them to do something that might get them injured or harmed. Our conscience says, hey, I don't want to hurt you. But when you're on social media, you're a little bit disconnected from that. You don't see that person you're chatting with, you don't see the person you're talking to. And sometimes it's easier to say mean things about someone. That's where you see cyberbullying increases. Sometimes I could say things on social media about you that I would never say to your face. It also increases the likelihood of maybe even peer pressure changes. You may ask somebody to do something that you would never do in person, but you may ask them to online, because there's a little bit of that disconnect that opens the door for that to happen.